Guys, it's Apple Watch Ultra release day, and today we're unboxing the Black Titanium Apple Watch Ultra 2. I don't need it, but sure as shit, I do want it. Let's get into it. Now, you're probably asking yourself, Mike, why don't you need this? Well, if you have an Apple Watch Ultra 2, like I do today that you bought last year, there's really not a whole lot that's changed except for the color, and that color is just oh so beautiful. I don't know. There's just something about having black titanium, space black. I've owned a black Apple Watch probably 3 or 4 times, and they're just beautiful. And this one is no different. And the first thing that we're presented with is the manual for the Apple Watch Ultra 2 in black. You can see it has this now new black aesthetic or muted aesthetic. And this shows how to use your Apple Watch very simply. We have how everything works. I love this orange aesthetic here on the action button and also here on the crown. That looks so nice, so nice. It would be cool if they made the action button on the iPhone like that as well. I'd love to see that. If you like that, let me know down in the comments below. But this really looks no different than it does last year. They do give you a little preview of the band, which is the Milanese band, which I did not get because it would take till like November to get here. I'll show you my band in just a second. Next we have the box for the Apple Watch Ultra, which we'll get in a minute. And then we have the Trail Loop band in black and green, which I love. I love the Trail Loop. Here I'm wearing one. This is in brown and green, I think, from last year. It just looks beautiful. It's like sweatpants. It's not beautiful. Let me rephrase that. It's very comfortable, and it's great to wear because it's easily adjustable. Just pull it off. You know that. You probably have one yourself. Let's look at the band. So this is actually nice. It's got the black hardware on there, both sides, obviously, that would make sense. But this looks nice. It's like that military color, like almost like a camouflage, but not camouflage itself. Probably would not look good with the Apple Watch Ultra in natural titanium, but this is nice. I love that Velcro. This is nice. I like the color. So let's get on with the main show, the Black Apple Watch. Oh gosh, I can't believe it. So here's the charging cable for the Apple Watch Ultra. Let's move that so you can see it in focus. But it's in the standard white color. Apple really missed out on color matching this to the Apple Watch Ultra in black titanium. I wish they would have done that. That would have looked so nice. And that would have been maybe even more reason for people to upgrade. Because it would have been all nice and color matched like the MacBook cable. Fun fact, if you don't know this right here is the GPS coordinates for Apple Park. Whoa, wow, what a beauty. I don't know if I can get that. Look at that. That's the front. That is so freaking beautiful. Look at the back. Wow, that is beautiful in that ceramic and black. Oh my gosh, look, look. Look, it's just so nice. Wow, this is very cool. Let's put this on. One of the things I'm most interested in is that since I have so many watch bands, and I have a lot of watch bands because I've been wearing an Apple Watch since the original one, is how it will fit, how the Apple Watch bands will look with a black body. Let's move that over. First look, Apple Watch Ultra, natural titanium, black titanium. It looks good. I like it a lot. Nice. I wonder how this will wear over time, because space black or black titanium, the space black on the MacBook Pro, it does get a layer of grease from your fingers. At least my fingers do. So you might notice that a little bit more, where the natural titanium just maybe look a little bit more elegant when clean. Or look more elegant all the time versus when it's clean on the black titanium. I don't know. I'm going to set this up and use it. I don't suspect there's going to be too much of a difference, but if you want to see more content on the Apple Watch Ultra, make sure you are subscribed. Or if you like lifestyle content, you can follow me on Instagram. That's going to be @Caputo. Otherwise, if you want to learn more about the iPhone 16 Pro, 16 Plus, I'll put a video up here in the cards. My name is Mike, guys, and I will talk to you in the next one.